Lesson_002. How to install Visual Studio Code. Today's lesson is to introduce how to install the Visual Studio Code, a web development tool that enables homepage support to be implemented on the web. In order to develop the homepage we need three basic things: homepage development tools, development language, and web browser. The first is a description of the homepage development tools. Although it is possible to create or modify a simple text editor such as Notepad or text editor as a homepage development tool, for those who want to learn HTML systematically, I recommend studying through a professional HTML editor from the beginning. There are a lot of professional editors, and depending on personal preferences, it may be good or bad. But I use a Visual Studio Code that Microsoft can download for free because it's free and it's also easy to use. The second is a description of the homepage development language. If you want to develop the homepage through development tools, you must be familiar with the development languages such as HTML used in homepage. In this course we will study HTML language among homepage development language together. The third is a description of web browser. The web browser allows us to view and read HTML documents on the web. These web browsers include various web browsers, such as Chrome, IE, Firefox, Safari, but here I choose Chrome. The web browser of Google is easy to use. How to install Visual Studio Code.